What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be installing some supports for my crash bar. We're just going to take the long sheet of that flat piece of metal and we're going to cut it up and make little supports for the different angles in the crash bar where it might need support when you do fall. It'll want to bend. And then that would be it for today. I also need to make bungs, but I didn't get a chance to go out and buy some metal today, so we got to get out, buy some metal, a solid piece of tubing, and that will become like a bung for screwing in the sliders. But for today, just supports, and then there's an extra support that will go on top. It'll go on top where the top bar will hook up to the frame. So yeah, we'll get on that. Alright guys, so we've got the 4 pieces cut out, 4 triangles, and then they're basically going to go in these gaps right here. So here and opposite side, you can't see from there, but maybe on this side here. So like that. Alright. The only problem we have right now is the top. The top, it makes 0 sense to attach a support. I mean, these aren't made for this side here because of the angle, but like it makes 0 sense to attach a support right there, because if in the situation that you do fall, the impact will be, so it'll sit approximately like that, right? The bike falls over, the impact is going to be mostly going like up and back, right? So like that, in that direction. So if you put a support here, yeah, it might add a little bit more rigidity, but it's honestly just gonna bend that out. It needs to be, the support needs to be back here. So that's my issue right now, because in just making the whole thing, this is gonna be right up against the frame, right here. There won't be any space for me to do anything bulky, you know? Like say I wanted to just make like an extra, like throw a piece, like a thick piece, like here's like some random metal I have. Like if I was to throw like a thick piece right here, and then put these guys here, you know? Like that. Like that would actually make it more rigid, but I have no room from here to the frame. Or maybe just keep like one solid piece. So this guy, obviously cut it up, but make it like extend from one side to the other. Like that. On both sides. I mean, not all the way back, but like maybe like this far out on this side here. Maybe. So I'm gonna brainstorm a bit here, and I'll let you know what goes down. Alright guys, so this is pretty much what I've come up with. I can't really, I think the next time I make this, I need to think about the actual space that I'm going to need behind here, as far as where it touches the frame, so I can add maybe like a nice I could add a nice like thick support right here, so that these guys won't bend back and stuff. But for now, I think I'm going to attach this guy here. So basically like so, and it's going to attach up here. It'll attach here, and then also it'll maybe make it a little bit more rigid so it won't bend back as easy. So that's what we're doing there. And then of course we'll add the supports on the bottom one, and then I actually have a support for here inside of here, so we'll add all that and then see how it looks, see how I feel about it. Alright guys, that's gonna end the video. I can't use the grinder anymore because it's dark, so people are trying to get ready for bed, so I can't be making all that noise. Unfortunately, I work outside, so basically all that we were able to do today was we added this mount on top. This is gonna have a hole through it, and it's actually going to be the part that mounts to the top of the frame. So it'll be like, you know, this is the front here, so this will attach to the frame. This is the frame here, like that. And then I just added these two supports here. So most of what took the time, what took the most out of my day was just figuring out how I was going to do this top part, how it's going to be supported, basically, because when it falls, it's going to want to bend this way. So hopefully this thing makes it rigid enough to where this doesn't want to bend. It won't bend because it's one solid tube, so it won't want to bend. And then maybe this guy, these two will add a little support. Yeah, next time we'll add the bottom ones, and then again, let me know if you guys want to keep the bottom ends. I don't know, these guys. I still don't know if I want to keep them. I think I need to finish the whole thing and then scope it out. Maybe lean the bike over and see how it falls. My welds got better though. We'll say that. If anything, today I got my welds getting a little bit better. I think the trick with this cheap welder is to give it more feed. So I set it to 8 or 7 at the speed, and then it's actually giving it a lot more, so it's easier to be smooth, and it won't be like, it won't cut off. You know what I'm saying? You can be nice and smooth. Oh yeah, be sure to comment, like, subscribe. I'll keep doing this, and it's getting better. Fuck, it's still hot. And yeah, peace out.